Hello and welcome, Mr. Lyons here. Hope all is well. And today we're solving systems of linear equations by inspection. Have you ever heard of Inspector Gadget? Right? And we're using elimination just by inspecting. And what that is we've been substituting, we've been graphing the lines to see where they intersect. We've been using elimination. Now we're going to just look at them and try to build that mental habit of seeing, well, is there one solution, no solutions, infinite solutions, right? Today, we're specifically focusing on infinite and no solutions, okay? So all the problems you're going to be doing in this inspection section either have infinite or no solutions, okay? So let's take a look at example 1 here. Take a look at this. 2x plus 3y equals negative 8. 2x plus 3y equals 4. What do you notice is the same? What do you notice is different? That's right. I notice my coefficients are the same, but my constants here are different. Can 2x plus 3y equals negative 8 have the same thing as 2x plus 3y equals 4? Let me ask you this. If I said x plus y equals 3 and x plus y equals negative 10, is that possible? Think of something. Is that possible? This here is impossible. You can't have 2x plus 3y equal to negative 8 and 2x plus 3y equals to negative 4. That just doesn't make any sense. So here, there's going to be no solution. How can you tell? Well, we have the same what? We have the same coefficients equaling to one constant, and then we have the same coefficient equaling to a different constant. That's the main thing we're going to be learning today, is just looking at the coefficients, looking at the constants, and seeing if, this is just impossible. Say it out loud to yourself. 2x plus 3y equals negative 8 and 2x plus 3y equals 4. That's literally impossible. That's like saying 3 plus 4 is 7 and 3 plus 4 is equal to 8. Like, that's just completely impossible, right? Take a look at this example here. What do you notice is the same? What do you notice is different? The same way we wrote this here. Go ahead and make a note to yourself. What do you notice is the same? What do you notice is different? That's right. I notice that we have the same coefficients, and I notice we have the same what? And I notice we have the same constant. Don't judge the handwriting. My hand hurts. Don't judge the handwriting, all right? Now, we have the same coefficients here, 2x plus 6y equals 10 and 2x plus 6y equals 10. How many solutions do you think there are to this system? Absolutely. They're going to be infinite solutions. Why? These are literally the exact same problem. Literally the exact same problem, right? Before you go on to, and that's what inspecting is. You can look and say, all right, the same coefficients, different constant. Same coefficients, different constant. That's impossible. Same everything. Well, that's infinite. You're going to do some vocabulary on the next slide, but I challenge you to look at example 3 and example 4 on your own, right? You should be able to do elimination quite fast in your head. If you were to do elimination here, right, what do you notice? How many solutions do you think there'd be? What would you get if you eliminated mentally? Try to eliminate mentally. Right? Here I see 0 equals 0. Like, everything is opposite here. So what you get is 0 equal to 0. Is that true? Yes, which means there are infinite solutions. That's what we're practicing today. It's just taking a look, doing some mental math, and seeing if we can determine, right? We're only doing infinite and no solutions today because 0 equals 0, right? What is the solution if this system of linear equations? Take a look at this here, right? Do some mental math. What do you notice? What do you get? Well, these are opposites, opposites. You end up with 0 equaling to negative 2. Is that a true statement? No. So you have no solutions here. Again, today we're only going to be focusing on mental math, quickly inspecting systems to see, well, is this infinite? Is there no solution? Do we have the same coefficients? Can I do this mentally? All right. Go ahead and fill in the blanks on the next slide, and then fill in the vocabulary, and I'll check you in the next video.